Hi, welcome back to our Honors Geometry playlist. On this video, we're going to talk about some extra example problems from our chord, secant, and tangent theorems. So number 11 is asking for the measure of arc RQ. Well, let's say I didn't know anything about these numbers. All I know is that whatever these arcs are, if I add them up and divide by 2, I should get 51. If I had like A and B, A plus B divided by 2 should get me 51 degrees. Well, I know what A is. I know that's 74. But I don't really know what that second arc is. All I know is that if I add those up and divide by 2, I should get 51. Or I could say that if I have 51 and 51, I know that these should add up to 102. So in total, 74 plus x divided by 2 is 51. Or 74 plus x would be equal to 102. So I can subtract 74 from 102 to get 28 degrees. 12 here is kind of like an inscribed angle. If this is 194 degrees, that's 194 degrees. An inscribed angle, or an angle formed by a secant and tangent, it's kind of like an inscribed angle, should be half the measure of this given arc. Zoom back in there. Half the measure of this given arc. So if that's 194, then 97 would be half of that, which would be the measure of angle K. Why don't you try 13? I would pause the video, try that on your own, and then check your work. All right, now PM is a minor arc. I can tell that because it uses only 2 letters. So that arc should be less than 180. So I know that this angle here is 72. It's kind of like an inscribed angle, so the arc should be double, or 144 degrees. Now, if I had asked for PRM, that would be the major arc here. And I could find out what that is because it's the rest of the circle. So I could take 360 minus 144. And get 216 degrees there. And that's just a quick update, some extra practice problems on our chord, secant, and tangent theorems.